here. Okay, put it here. Okay. So yeah, okay, there it is. Yep. Okay. So let's put this here again. So again, why? Let's see why we invest in commodities anyway. Other than the fact that Mr. Jim Rogers has advised us to invest in commodities. Okay, now here's the thing. I'm going to show you the basic chart, and then I'm going to show you two more charts. And you have to understand this, okay? You have to understand this theory, where we are coming from, and why I say commodities, okay? Because commodities, see, ideally, if you were trading, you want charts that go like this, okay? Let's reduce this video before we play the video from Rogers here. You want charts that go like this: up a lot, then down, up a little bit, then up a lot, then up a little bit, then down, then up a little bit, then down, then up, down. Now, you know from this cycle here, where is the next up move? I mean, anyone can see this. It is, I don't even have to tell anything, right? You know that the next move is going to be like that. And then after we have that move, it's going to be like that. So if you can play the cycle, guess what? You are going to be very, very rich, okay? Or you're going to do well. Let's say you're going to do well. Let's take the richness for later. I'll teach you how to do the richness for later. So you want to find charts like this. It is very, very easy to do. And now I can tell you that, especially the older generation in commodities know that this type of cycle like here, happen once every, just as our FB friend has said, this happens every 12 years or so. Or maybe 10 like that, 12 years or so, or maybe even 10 years like that. It's around there, 12 to 14 years or 10 years. So, you know, now is basically the time for another big cycle. So when you see this, you know now is the time for another big cycle. So that's where you want to take advantage. But again, the theory is simple. If you can find a chart like this with many highs, and then it goes back down, and then it goes back up, and then it goes back down, goes another high, and goes back down again, guess what? You can be doing very, very well. Now, why do we say commodities? Do I really mean commodities? Yes and no. We want to find charts like this, and what I find is that the most easiest play now is in commodities, which is why we do it. And so let's now take an example of a commodity that is wheat, so that you know what really we're doing. Let's find the let's find a chart for wheat here. I'm going to share the chart afterwards. Please be patient. Let's see here. I'm going to go here, and I am going to share the chart now, okay? One moment. Let me share the chart for you for wheat, new. And if you are here on Forex, I just want you to look at this chart. Be very, very open. You got to be very, very open, especially those from the Forex world. But it's good because if you're from the Forex world and you go from the near, you have to be very open on this because it's something very different. Now this is wheat. Gandum. You know gandum in Malay? Okay, just look at that. Just look at those highs and lows here, right? So when you have a chart like this, you can say, hey, it's giving us a chance to go back in. Isn't that nice? It goes down and then goes back up. It goes down and then goes back up. It goes down and then goes back up. Every single time it does that. And there's even a currency that does that. You guys know what it is, right? Tell me, for the past 3 weeks or 4 weeks or month or so, every single time I've been recommending the Mexican peso, it gives you an entry below 1880, you will make $500. True or not? At least. At the most 1,000. For only 50,000 lot, 0.5. You know, it's like amazing, right? It goes up, goes down. It goes up, goes down. Why does it do that? Again, let's go back to the theory again. It goes like this, and then like that, and then like this, and then like that. And the peso is also exhibiting the same thing. So the lesson is simple. Find a chart that does this. So then let's go to the monthly chart, right? If you can find that, oh, let's go to the monthly there. So let's go here so we can see, yeah, 2006. So let's see that. That is when? That is during 2008. Where is 1999? See 02, 06. See 12 years kan? 12 years, 10 years there. Kan? 78, 78, 79. This is 88. Nampak? Can you see that? About every 10 to 12 years. There is a big peak every 10 to 12 years. It is a cycle. So classes on wheat, if you guys don't follow this year, my next class is 2031. Sila, you can pre-book registration 2031. So what you can do now is a very easy trade. You know, when you have all this big move, what do?